Hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. And guess what? I made a little mini Scaventure. That's right. First, I took the Amy to go get the Arby's for dinner. Then I left it in the car while we went to the Scaventure, which made the Amy's hangry. But it's fun. Okay, so... I had to get new bubbles because, I had grandbabies, and grandbabies use bubbles like toilet paper. Okay, so I had to get some bubbles, so I got bubbles because, they have them at the dollar store, free of these for $1, and, they're great for grandbabies, so, I got those. And then I got some of these. I think I got more of these, but I'm missing a few. I'll find them. But, I like these because they're nice and small, small size. So I grabbed a couple of packs of these. I like to have these around, and I keep one next to my desk for putting stuff in, and then the other two I shove under the desk to keep the cat out of there. Alright, so what else did I get? Well, I got a bunch of these, okay? And I use these on my journals. I use them as bands, closure bands on my journals. And these are kind of rubbery. They have rubber on the outside as well. So, I got those. I got 2 packs of those because they had them. And there's 6 in each one for $1. That's pretty cheap. And then I got these. And, I have these for all my journals. And almost all of them come with, like, one of these gold ones. These gold threaded ones. And then different colors with the little rhinestone things on them. And they're really pretty and they look nice in the journals. So I got those. And then I got these. And there's only 4 in this one. And... this one, it looks nice on a really nice, dignified, like, vintage journal. And you can, this one here actually tea dyes really nice. But, you could use these on a vintage journal. It looks really nice. So I got those. They had some new washi tape. And this one was Travel the World. And see, look at that. Right? It's kind of cool. Let me block some of the light a little bit. Can't see it if I block the light. We'll turn it this way. That might work. There we go. So it's just like a world map. That was kind of cool. And then... I got some new ribbons, like I got these, and I already had these, but I got them because I'm going to make some bookmark kits out of them. But I also got these, it's mermaids, and then fish scales in blue, and I got these because I'm going to make some more bookmarks out of those. And I grabbed a couple of packs of these little price tag things, because I'm going to be doing a project with these. And then I got some socks, because we all know that I like adult socks, right? Yeah, these are real mature. Okay, then I got some binder clips. 12 count, different sizes. These are small and medium size, and I'm going to be doing a project with these. So I grabbed those. And I got this. Now, I've never seen this one in my store before. Natural bath sponge. But I think this will be, like, really fun for some mixed media, and, it would be really cool. I'd cut this into fourths and use it as a paint sponge for stenciling. Really cool. And thinking of my grandkids, I grabbed these. I got a little project for these. I'm going to use these in Thursday's project. So I'm going to take one of these, and I am going to get gesso all over it, because I'm going to be using this for a project this Thursday in my live. And then I found these, and these were really cool. This is new. This is from Crafter's Square. Now, some of you may have seen there's some new haul videos going around. There's a new section at most Dollar Trees where they have put in Crafter's Square, and they had these are rub-ons, and I really like this. The pattern's kind of neat. Let me bring it up here so you can see. It's kind of like totem animals, so I grabbed that one. And then they had this one, which is kind of like vintagey looking, so I grabbed that. And then they had this one, which I personally think is very tinny looking, so I grabbed this one as well. And that was it. That was like all I got on my little haul today. Just a whole bunch of stuff. And, stuff that I'm going to be doing. And socks, because I'm an adult, right? And stuff. And so that's all the stuff that I got. And trash bags. But who cares about the trash bags, right? So that's it, guys. That's all I got. But I wanted to share it with you. And I will see you Tuesday for the One Witch and a Crazy Lady. And Thursdays for my Thursdays at 3. Bye-bye.